Hi guys, by now you should have received your login to your IDX Broker agent account so that you can log in and view and edit your listings and also track your leads. There is one important step that we do want you to do before you go to the website and start looking at different things. We want you to actually create a user account like you are a lead. And this is important because if you don't, when you come to the site, if you are viewing your leads and you're looking at the searches and the different things that they are looking at, the properties that they're looking at some point it's going to ask you to sign in here. And if you sign in here and you are just randomly signing in, it's going to assign you to another agent because it's set up to go to an agent. So not you specifically, unless you're actually have used your agent subdomain name to come to the site. So if you just randomly come to the site because you're in your leads and you're clicking on what your leads are looking at and looking at different things and you see this and you sign up, you may not get assigned to yourself, and then you may see another agent's information and be confused. So to avoid all of that, before you do anything on the site, we want you to come here and we want you to sign up. So it's really easy. You're just going to come to the site, do a search like I just did, and click on the little heart, and then or click Save Property wherever you're at, and it's going to ask you to create an account. And then you're going to go ahead and create an account with all of your information. It's important not to use the social media logins. And then you're going to find your name from the list. In this case, I'm using Gus as an example. Check the box. And then verify. And then go ahead and click on Sign Up. If you've done this correctly, then once you come into your IDX Broker account and go to Leads and Manage, you should see yourself. You might have to click the Sign Up button right here at the top. One other way that you can do this is you can come here and you can create your own lead. So go to Leads and click on Create, add your information in there, and make sure you're the assigned agent here. If you do happen to already have an account and it says you have an account and you're not sure if you are assigned to yourself, please go and email us at support@yoursiteneedsme.com with your name and your email address that you signed up with, and we will go ahead and look into it and confirm that it is under your name. So we want to make sure that you are assigned to yourself so there's no confusion. And in the future, if you are looking at a lead and you're looking at their different traffic information and you come to the website and it does ask you to sign in, then all you're going to do, and I'm going to actually sign out here. And go back to the search. So you're searching and you're looking at different properties and that your lead has looked at, and you come in and at some point it asks you for this form, then you're just going to come here and click log in and put your email address in, and then you won't see this anymore. It should cookie your browser so that the next time you don't have to log in, but if you ever do get here, then you just log in with your email address that you created that lead account with, and you should be all set. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email us at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. We're here to help you, and if you need any help with training, learning how to use this, or anything else, that's what we're here for. Please feel free to email us anytime. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.
Yeah, pero, yeah, yeah, pull, oh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ah, ooh.